Hello everyone, my name is Rudraksh Tambal.
My name is Ganesh Chaudhary.
We are the students of grade 9 representing school Ram Shanti Vidya Mandir Panduna. We are proudly standing over here to present our project, the AI and ML based robotic hand. There are many real life situations in which the use of normal human hand can be harmful or maybe sometimes impossible. These includes in chemical factories, workers face difficulties with high level chemicals and high temperature. And many people have lost their arm movement in an accident or by birth, so they need prosthetic support.
And also in military operation where remotely operated tools are more safer, and also in rescue missions like rescuing a child who is fallen in borewell pipe.
To solve this problem, we have built a robotic hand.
This robotic hand is 3D printed and made up of biodegradable PLA plus filament and powered by servo motor.
This is how it works. When a gesture is captured by the camera, the pictoblock sends the signals to the Arduino. The Arduino then sends the signals to the servo motors, and the hand performs the task accordingly, such as like this. In this way, it performs the task.
It also consists of voice command via Bluetooth. As first, the user sends the Bluetooth signal through the Bluetooth connected device like mobile or other device, and at first the Bluetooth signal sends through the Bluetooth connected mobile, and then it is received by the Arduino Uno through HC5 Bluetooth module, and they send the command to servo motor, and servo motor starts working and the hand follows the gesture.
This is how it works via Bluetooth. If we give the command to hold an object, so it will hold, and if we give the command to release, so it will release. It can also be done via voice control, like hold. So it holds the object, release. It releases the object. It can also lift a high weight, which is an advantage for it. Its advantages are it helps handicapped people. It can also used in hazardous conditions such as in chemical factories, and it can be also used in army operations such as defusing a bomb.
And it can be used in rescue operation like rescuing a child who is fallen in the borewell pipe, and also it is easy to operate, lightweight and strong.
All this happened with the help of AI, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning, wirelessly. Its future scope is Wi-Fi and IoT enabled global remote control.
Computer vision to recognize and pick objects.
Our vision is helping society with every move. Thank you.